Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville espresso machine. Let's go ahead and make a shot. So we get a nice shot of espresso. The valve in the back is not leaking. Maybe just a little bit too fast, so we could probably tighten up the grind a little bit, but otherwise it's working great. And that's just the draining at the end of the valve, which is fine. Normal, just releasing the pressure. And then let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.